Mastering database connectivity in Python involves using PsychoPG2 for PostgreSQL and MySQL connector for MySQL. These libraries offer robust interfaces for executing SQL commands, managing transactions, and handling exceptions. Proper use ensures efficient data retrieval and manipulation, crucial for maintaining application performance and security in production environments. Database programming is crucial for modern applications, ensuring reliable data storage. Relational databases are foundational in enterprise systems. Python's database adapters offer robust interfaces to these databases. Mastering database programming patterns is essential to avoid issues like SQL injection, connection leaks, and performance bottlenecks, which can severely impact production systems. PostgreSQL offers advanced features like JSON, arrays, and full-text search, making it ideal for complex queries and analytics. It is ACID compliant with strong consistency and extensible with custom functions. MySQL excels in speed for simple read operations, has wider hosting support, and is excellent for web applications with multiple storage engines like InnoDB and MyISAM. Begin by installing PostgreSQL or MySQL on your local machine, or opt for cloud services like Amazon Web Services Relational Database Service. Next, install the Python adapter using pip, PsychoPG2 binary for PostgreSQL or MySQL connector Python for MySQL. Finally, verify your setup with a simple connection script to ensure everything is configured correctly. Connection objects are crucial for managing database sessions. Both PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector follow similar patterns, facilitating easy database switching. Use psychopg2.connect for PostgreSQL and mysql.connector.connect for MySQL. Always store credentials securely in environment variables or configuration files to ensure security in production environments. Cursors are essential for executing SQL commands and fetching results. They act as pointers traversing result sets. Both PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector adhere to the Database Application Programming Interface 2.0 specification, ensuring consistent interfaces. Create cursors from connection objects, execute queries, and always close them to free server resources. Executing basic queries involves sending SQL commands to the server, fetching results, and committing changes. Use select to retrieve data, like active users' names and emails. For data insertion, use parameterized insert queries to safely add new users, ensuring changes are committed to the database. Prevent SQL injection by avoiding direct concatenation of user input into SQL strings. Instead, use parameterized queries, which automatically escape special characters. For example, use placeholders like %is in PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector to safely handle user input, ensuring robust protection against injection attacks. Fetching results from a database can be done using three methods: fetchown, fetchmany, size, and fetchall. Fetchown retrieves a single row, ideal for memory efficiency. Fetchmany, size, balances memory and network usage by fetching a specified number of rows. Fetchall retrieves all rows, suitable for small datasets due to high memory consumption. Dictionary cursors enhance code readability by allowing access to query results via column names. In PostgreSQL, use psychopg2.extras.realDictCursor, while MySQL employs dictionary true. This approach makes code self-documenting and robust against schema changes, ensuring maintainability and clarity in database operations. Transaction management is crucial for maintaining data integrity. By grouping operations into atomic units, transactions ensure that either all operations succeed or none do. In case of failure, a rollback restores the database to its original state, preventing partial updates. This approach is essential for reliable database operations, especially in financial applications. Context managers in Python ensure safe resource handling by automatically managing database connections. Using with statements, connections and cursors are closed automatically, preventing leaks. This pattern commits transactions on success and rolls back on exceptions, maintaining data integrity. The closing function offers an alternative, ensuring resources are released efficiently. Handling large result sets efficiently is crucial for performance. PostgreSQL's server-side cursors fetch results in chunks, maintaining constant memory usage. Streaming results allow row-by-row processing, ideal for extract, transform, load tasks. Use limit and offset for pagination, retrieving data in manageable chunks. This approach is compatible with both PostgreSQL and MySQL, ensuring efficient data handling. Batch operations minimize network overhead by reducing query round trips, crucial for bulk inserts and updates. Instead of executing queries individually, use batch methods like PostgreSQL's execute batch or MySQL's execute many. This approach can enhance performance by 10-100 times, especially in data import scenarios, ensuring efficient database interactions. Connection pooling optimizes database performance by reusing connections, reducing the overhead of creating new ones. It manages connection lifecycles, automatically handling reconnections and limiting concurrent connections to protect the server. Using PsychoPG2's simple connection pool, you can efficiently manage connections, ensuring scalability and reliability in production systems. Error handling in database operations is crucial. PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector adhere to the Database Application Programming Interface 2.0 exception hierarchy. Key exceptions include integrity error for constraint violations and operational error for connection issues. Use try-except blocks to manage these, ensuring robust error handling and maintaining data integrity by rolling back transactions when necessary. PostgreSQL's native JSON support enables efficient storage and querying of semi-structured data, ideal for configurations or user preferences. Insert JSON data using json.dumps and query JSON fields with operators like and, die. For example, retrieve users preferring dark themes by querying the theme field within JSON preferences. Prepared statements enhance performance by parsing SQL once and executing it multiple times with different parameters. This reduces CPU overhead and improves execution time. In PostgreSQL, use prepare to define a statement and execute to run it repeatedly. Finally, delocate cleans up the prepared statement. SQL Alchemy provides a higher-level object relational mapping for seamless database interaction, ideal for switching between databases and using object-oriented data models. It supports automatic migrations and declarative query syntax. In contrast, raw adapters like PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector are preferred for maximum performance, complex queries, and direct structured query language control with minimal dependencies. Understanding query performance is vital. PostgreSQL's Explain Analyze helps analyze execution plans. For instance, executing Explain Analyze Select. From users, where email like %ets provides insights into query efficiency. Additionally, measure execution time in Python using time module to ensure optimal performance. This approach aids in identifying bottlenecks and optimizing queries effectively. Always use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. Close connections properly using context managers or finally blocks. Handle exceptions gracefully by catching specific database errors. Implement connection pooling to reduce overhead and enhance scalability. Monitor query performance by profiling slow queries and optimizing with indexes. Avoid common pitfalls in database management. Always commit changes after insert, update, or delete to prevent data loss. Use fetch many or pagination for large datasets to avoid memory crashes. Be mindful of connection limits. Use connection pooling to prevent exhausting resources and crashing applications. In a user management system, using PsychoPG2, we define a user manager class to handle database operations. The createUser method inserts a new user into the database, returning the user ID. The getActiveUsers method retrieves active users using realDict cursor for dictionary-like results. This approach ensures efficient and organized user data management. Explore async database operations with AIOPG or IOMySQL for handling thousands of concurrent tasks. Enhance performance and availability using replication and failover strategies. Master schema migrations with Alembic or Flyway for safe version control. Implement advanced security measures like row-level security, encrypted connections, and audit logging to safeguard enterprise data. Mastering database fundamentals involves understanding connections, cursors, and transactions. Prioritize security by using parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. Enhance performance with connection pooling and batch operations. Tools like PsychoPG2 and MySQL connector offer robust interfaces for PostgreSQL and MySQL. Choose based on your needs, ensuring best practices for security, performance, and reliability.